Hello friends, today I will talk about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After I get dressed, I have breakfast. I usually eat puff chapati and drink tea. After breakfast, I go to work at 8 a.m. I ride my bike. It takes about 15 minutes to get there. I start work at 9 a.m. I have a meeting scheduled every day at 11 a.m. I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m., but sometimes, due to work pressure, my lunch time gets delayed. I finish work at 7 p.m. By the time I reach back home, it almost 8:30 p.m. Then I relax and watch TV. I eat dinner with my family. After dinner, I do chit chat with my mother. I usually hit bed by 11 p.m. I sleep for 8 hours. I need never consume caffeine at night. I always show my gratitude before I hit my bed.